As kids start growing up, it's possible that they could start to develop social anxiety. But what makes social anxiety different from shyness? Ms. Galati at DGS has some information to clarify what social anxiety is.
Social anxiety can be different for everybody. It's not the same with everybody, but some general symptoms can be like extreme fear or anxiety in social situations. I think what makes social anxiety difficult is that we encounter so many social interactions in our day-to-day lives, going to school, going to work, talking with people, going to the store. So when you have to do those things every day, and if you're someone that experiences social anxiety, those daily tasks can be really, really distressing and make it really hard for people to even do those tasks on a day-to-day basis. It's important for people to have self-awareness and recognize when they think that they need to talk to someone, so then they can learn those strategies. So talking with a trained professional, a counselor, social worker, therapist, can help learn some strategies to manage their social anxiety.
Since Ms. Galati has gone through what social anxiety is, how does it affect a person who actually has it? Alifia Simba is a student here at DGS, and she talks about how it is to deal with social anxiety.
Some things that are hard or difficult for me to deal with social anxiety is going to school and talking with other students and talking out loud because I feel like people are looking at me. Some things that I cope with social anxiety is I listen to music when I'm going in different classes and in passing periods. And I also have some favorite toys that I use when I feel like I need to use them. I personally don't think the school is supportive enough for people that deal with social anxiety, only because I feel like when you talk about them, they feel like, oh, it's okay, and they don't really help you as much as you want it to.
Social anxiety is hard to cope with, but there's a lot of coping mechanisms a person can do and opportunities to get help. In Downers Grove South, this is the Blueprint News, and this has been Izzy Shin.